The good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 23 from verse 13 to verse 25. Then said Jesus fi dead. Pilate call up the head priest them, leader them, and people them, and say, "Uno carry the man here come to me and claim say he ma cause the people them fi go against the government. Me question him in front of uno and say him not do none of the sitting them where uno blame him for. Herod never see where him do nothing wrong neither, cause him send him back to me. Uno can't see say that man here not do nothing till we kill him. So, me we just punish him and let him go." The whole crowd shout out, "Kill Jesus! Give we Barabbas!" Barabbas did in a prison cause him lead people to fight against them ruler and him did kill people. Pilate did want to let go Jesus, so him talk to the crowd again. But then keep on a shout, "Yes! Kill him on the cross! Kill him on the cross!" Pilate asked them again. That make 3 times. What make? What him do wrong? Me no find say him do nothing wrong for we kill him. Me we punish him and then let him go. But they no tap shout out say them fi kill Jesus for the cross. Them shout so till they win. So Pilate give them what they want. Him let go the man where they did ask for. The one where did make people fight against them ruler and where did murder people. And Pilate give them Jesus for do what them want do with him. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God